alweer sulke tyd. Ons het gevoel die bearing, die wiel raak grof hier agter, net soos ons in Oman gehad het. Destyds. En toe ek nou check die olie, die dreinplak uitdraai, toe sien ek kyk al hierdie stukkietjies. So dit is confirmation dat die bearing is poegaai. So en is ons nie gebless nie. Hoor hierso. Hoor hom maak hy. Kuspoude. Nou, is ons nie gebless nie. Kyk waar breek hy. By die Horizons Unlimited Valley. So is dit mense wat ons gaan uitjap en 'n nuwe bearings kry môre en dan soos weer nie gou kom hoppelik. What they've done is they put it on a
it went done usually. Yeah. He certainly Don't touch the beer. Don't touch the beer. Do more hammer. Don't see the beer.
And it's really been nice. We've met amazing people once again. All bikers, travelers. A lot of the people here are travelers that do short trips, not exceptionally long trips like us.
Ons het nou vanmôre van die rally af gery. 10 kilometers down the road, dan kom die wiel weer los. Maak hy so. Besef ek, maar ek het nooit die wielnuts vastgedraai nie. Gelukkig kon ons dit vastdraai en uitgesorg kry. Nou is op pad Glasgow toe en typisch Brits, nou reën het lekker. Maar ons geniet dit, want het is een lekker verandering. Ons is 'n bietjie nat en koud. En so.
Yes, you know it's true. Hope you need my love, babe. Just like I need you. Hold me, love me. Hold me, love me. I ain't got nothing but love, babe. 8 days a week. Love you every day, girl. Always on my mind.
Ons is nou hier in Oban in Skotland. Ons is daar in die dorp, soek vir 'n slaapplek. Bed and breakfast. Almal vol of te duur. 60 pond en so aan. Toe ons by die een plek staan, toe kom maar 'n ou aan my toe en hy vra waar ZA vandaan, hy sien dit op die nommerplaat. Sê ek nie Suid-Afrika en so aan. Toe sê hy, maar kom bly by my. En dis nou sy huis waar ons is. Dis 'n ou Tweede Wêreldoorlog uitkykpunt. Met 'n mooi view. Soos jy kan sien.
Right, I'm going to take you inside Leo's house. Mom, you're going to just love this.
But I don't know what you're listening.
I listen to all sorts of stuff. I listen to everything and anything.
Here we have dogs filling up the doorway. And here comes Leo and
What's that?
Matthew. They're going into the living room.
Alright.
There goes Matthew.
Nou, there it is.
This is the kitchen.
Just
See where you're sleeping.
Yeah, check it there view. Wow.
That's the beautiful picture Jesus gave us this morning.
Days a week is not enough to show I care. Ooh, I need your love, babe. Yes, you know it's true. Hope you need my love, babe. Just like I
verlaat nou Skotland. En daai kant is Engeland. So what's Scotland like?
Oh, it's beautiful. Just have to come back.
You come back here?
Oh, absolutely. Very, very, very nice.
What's the weather like?
It was actually nice early on, but now it's a little bit fresh again. All the goosebumps are out.
11.5.
11.5.
It's quite cold. Lots of
Let's
bikes.
bike